Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make these Funfetti Blondies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a medium-sized saucepan, and into that place your sugar, followed by the butter, then the white chocolate. You may wonder why my white chocolate looks like this. I placed it somewhere warm. Melt in the microwave until once you can mix it, it's smooth. Then let it cool for a bit. Then add in your eggs and vanilla and whisk these in until it's fully incorporated. The mixture should become much looser, smoother and glossier. Then go ahead and add in your flour, followed by the white chocolate chips, and then the bake stable rainbow sprinkles, and just fold these in by hand until you don't see a trace of a single ingredient. So you don't want to see any traces of flour. That should be fully incorporated. And then just make sure you get the very bottom and the top of the bowl just to incorporate any of those bits. Grab yourself a 9x9 shallow sided square baking tin, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and pour all of that blondie batter in there, or as much of it as you can get in there as possible. Then this is optional, but I took dollops of some blonde chocolate spread and placed it on top because I thought it's a birthday celebration, who doesn't want more? And it adds a bit of colour and a bit of contrast as well as flavour, so why not? Then I had to add even more to it, didn't I? So I just got some homemade raspberry jam and placed dollops of that in between, as I just wanted it to be like a birthday cake. So you can't have a birthday cake without jam, let's be honest. So get as many or as few dollops as you'd like in with the raspberry jam. Again, feel free to use store-bought if that's what you've got, but I like to use homemade. Then take a butter knife and just swirl it all around until every bit has been swirled and it's all incorporated, and it should make a pretty pattern looking something like that. Bake, and then once they're out of the oven, this is fresh from the oven, scatter over some white chocolate chips. I know you might be thinking, even more chocolate chips? Yeah, why not? Chocolate chips make everything better. Then over that you can also sprinkle some of the same bake stable rainbow sprinkles, and allow these to cool completely before you even intend to cut these up. I like to place mine in the fridge once cool and then leave until the following day. Makes it much easier, and as you can tell, you can cut through these very easily. They're very fudgy, dense. That's what you want. Who doesn't want that in a blondie? But then you can cut it into as many or as few pieces as you'd like, but again, the choice is really up to you. So then here is what the blondie looks like as a final result. As you can tell, there's a lot going on. You've got the white chocolate, you've got chocolate chips, you've got rainbow sprinkles, you're going to have the vanilla flavour. It's got everything you need, and these, although they look a lot, they taste so good. I promise you that. I had no complaints about these, but that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.